This is the elevator at the service corridor at the Sears Wayne Galleria Mall, downtown Green Plains. And look at this, we got Westinghouse black button. I also have permission to be here. No door close button. Oh, that's some fast leveling. 3. Maybe if I just tap it over and over again, it will go. Motor's replaced, by the way. I would have preferred the original. Although I haven't even heard the original. This is my first time on it, so I don't know. It winds out while the door's opening. That's interesting. 1. I keep on forgetting there's no door close button. I don't know why. It's relatively nice, though. Glad it's original. This thing is absolutely amazing, aside from the motor. One seems to be burnt. Looks like 3 and loading dock got new LEDs and 2 has the original light. Fixtures. I just appreciate these amazing Westinghouse black buttons. Never seen them before. There's a call button over there. There it goes, and that's it.